Hello everyone, today we will compare Gelato, Printify, and Printful, three leading print-on-demand platforms in the world. So Gelato, known for its extensive global production network and emphasis on sustainability, and Printify, that provides a flexible and cost-effective solution with a wide range of integration and pricing plans. And last but not the least, Printful, which stands out with its premium product quality, extensive tools, and seamless integration with major e-commerce platforms. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, customer and support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Gelato, Printify, and Printful, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. As you can see when it comes to product catalog, so Gelato has diverse range focused on sustainability and Printify has a wide range, extensive integration while Printful has high quality products and global network. So when it comes to integration, so Gelato offers extensive e-commerce integration while Printify has supports 30 plus e-commerce platforms, while Printful has a wide range of integration with major platforms. Then when it comes to fulfillment and shipping, Gelato has global production network and eco-friendly focus. Printify has facilities worldwide, competitive shipping costs, while Printful has global fulfillment, variety of shipping options. And last but not least, design tools. So when it comes to Gelato, they have user-friendly design tools and Printify has intuitive mockup generator on their platform, and last Printful has advanced design tools and branded option. So yes, that's it for the features comparison. Now let's go to the pricing comparison. So when it comes to free plan, so all platforms has free plan on their website. And when it comes to subscription costs, so Gelato offers their Gelato Plus subscription for $14.99 per month or $139 per year. So when it comes to Printify, they have premium subscription which is $29 per month or $24.99 per month if billed annually. And lastly, Printful, they have Printful Pro which is $49 per month. And that's it for the subscription cost. So when it comes to product discounts, Gelato has no product discounts while shipping discount with subscription. When it comes to Printify, they have 20% lower pricing on products with premium plan. And lastly, for Printful, discounts may be available, but I'm not sure. So you can just check it out. And when it comes to printing price, so let's start with the t-shirts. So Gelato has printing price excluded the tax for $6.29 to $15, while Printify offers it for $10 to almost $20. And lastly, for Printful, they have $6.95 and $30 for printing t-shirts. When it comes to hoodies, Gelato offers it for $19 up to $40 depending on the design. And when it comes to Printify, they offers it $20 to $41. And lastly, Printful, they offer it startly for $20.95 to $54.25. And when it comes to mugs, Gelato has $6.28 to $17.14 per printing, and Printify has $4.63 to $12.13 for printing, and also Printful, they operate for $7.25 to $19.95. When it comes to phone cases, Gelato offers them for $7.85 to $13.28. Printify offers them for $9.53 to $19.25. Printful offers them for $9.75 to $12.95. When it comes to art prints or posters, Gelato offers $5.24 to $23.76 per print. Printify offers them for only $2.71 up to $19.43. Printful offers them to $6.25 to $29.95. And when it comes to tote bags, Gelato offers them for $11.78 to $16.49. And Printify offers them for $7.39 to $19.83. And lastly, Printful offers them to $14.25 to $26.5. So yes, that's it for the pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to the customer and support comparison. So when it comes to customer support, when it comes to 24/7 support, all platforms is available for 24/7. When it comes to live chat, Gelato is not, while Printify and Printful have live chat support. When it comes to email support, all platforms has it again, so don't have to worry. And phone support, Gelato and Printify does not have it, while Printful has phone support. And when it comes to help centers, all platforms has it again. And when it comes to community forum, Gelato does not have it, while Printify and Printful have it. When it comes to video tutorials, while Printify and Printful has it, and Gelato does not have it. And lastly, for webinars, Gelato doesn't have it again, while Printify and Printful has it. So yes, that's it for the customer support, pricing, and key features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pros and cons. And let's start with Gelato pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, Gelato has large production network across 32 countries, supporting local communities and sustainability. They have pre-plan available with locals premium plans, and last, they offers a product quality guarantee, which is significant in the POD industry. And when it comes to cons, Gelato customer support has room for improvement, which mean it's bad. And lastly, the shipping costs are not included in the product pricing, which can affect overall cost. So that's it for the Gelato pros and cons. So now let's go directly to the Printify pros and cons. When it comes to pros, they have extensive product range and integration with e-commerce platforms. They have 24/7 customer support with an intuitive mock-up design tool. They have free forever plan and competitive pricing for premium features. And when it comes to cons, some users may find the product quality varies depending on the print provider. So that's it for the Printify pros and cons. So let's go to the Printful pros and cons. When it comes to pros, they have high quality product catalog with a variety of items. They have global fulfillment network ensuring wide delivery coverage. And last, they have user-friendly design tools and range shop integration. When it comes to cons, they have pricing can be higher compared to other POD services, which might affect profitability. And lastly, they have limited branding options compared to some competitors. And yeah, that's it for the Printful pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's talk about which platform is the best for you. And let's start that by discussing who should choose Gelato. So Gelato is referable for someone or for businesses that prioritize sustainability and want to reduce carbon emissions, for entrepreneurs looking for a global production network to support local communities, for sellers who prefer a service with a product quality guarantee. So if you have all of this quality, I recommend you that you choose Gelato. So when it comes to who should choose Printify, so Printify is referable for users who value an extensive product range and easy integration with e-commerce platforms. For those who need 24/7 customer support and an intuitive mock-up design tool. And lastly, for merchants who want a pre-plan with competitive pricing for premium features. So if you have all of this quality, I recommend you that you choose Printify over the rest of the platform. So yes, the last but not the least, we should talk about who should choose Printful. So Printful is preferable for businesses seeking a high quality products and a variety of items to choose from. It's perfect for sellers who want to add branded labels and packaging inserts into their orders. And lastly, for entrepreneurs looking for a more established POD solution with a global fulfillment centers. So if you have all of these, qualities, I recommend you to choose Printful. And yes, that's it. So in conclusion, all platforms, Gelato, Printify, and Printful offers unique strengths tailored to different needs. Gelato stands out with its extensive global network and commitment to sustainability, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious businesses and those targeting international markets. Printify offers flexible pricing and wide range of integration, ideal for those starting out or looking for cost-effective option. And last, Printful, with its robust toolset and premium product quality, is perfect for businesses seeking a high-end products and seamless integration with multiple e-commerce platforms. Ultimately, the best platforms depends on your individual needs and preferences. And with that being said, the comparison is over. And I hope this comparison helps you to choose the correct option for your future. And also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.